Hello, today we're going to introduce the new MRT 5-liter 2015 exhaust system. It is a cat-back system made of 3-inch 304 stainless steel, made right here in Plymouth, Michigan. Following the true DNA of the MRT exhaust systems, these are all handmade, highly crafted, high quality, best sounding, performing exhaust system in the market. We're using our signature H-pipe in the design. That allows us to give a nice, deep, full exhaust note. It is what provides us the real retro, big block, tough muscle car sound. This system is no exception to that rule. This system sounds awesome, fits well, very easy install. It's a direct fit, and it puts the sound to the road. You know unmistakably that this is a Mustang coming at you. This is an American V8. Let's go for a quick little ride. We can do evaluation at startup, do a little city driving, see what the sound signature looks like. Then we'll get out on the highway and see what it's like at a cruising speed. We'll address the performance sound as well as whatever drone resonance occurs. So at startup, again, the best way for me to describe it is it sounds like an American V8. Tough muscle car. Sounds like it's got plenty of go and wants to show you. The 2015 Mustang is a natural progression from its predecessor, S197. In-cabin noise is quite subdued. It is a very quiet car from the inside. So we have exhaust presence. I can tell that we have a performance exhaust. It's not boomy, doesn't resonate. It's louder outside of the car than it is inside of the car. Real good under acceleration. Sounds tough. Little burble on the D-cell, which is it's kind of the dessert after you just spank somebody. It's telling them it's all over and they're not in front. So this system is being designed for the true enthusiast who wants a quality, tasteful product and a quality, tasteful sound. It's announcement of performance. It's not obnoxious. It's not inappropriate. This is a full package of car guy respect right here. So we're going about 60 miles an hour. Again, exhaust is present, but it's pretty much on par with road noise, so it's not causing any distraction or obstacles for conversation, listening to the radio, whatever your interest might be. Alright, now we're going to get onto the highway, evaluating our new MRT Interceptor exhaust for the 5-liter 2015 Mustang. Bring it up to around here what our typical highway speeds are in the 75-ish miles an hour. Usually puts us right around 2,000 RPM, which is where a drone occurs if it's going to. Okay, so we're lugging it a little bit right now at about 1,600 RPM. Have drone present on a scale 1 to 10, probably about a 2, maybe a 3. By the time we hit 2,000 RPM, which we're at now, it's almost completely gone. Now that we hit 75, we're at about 2,200 RPM and there is no drone. So, looks like our drone period reduced a little bit in the RPM range. certainly is not objectionable. Honestly, we're not making much power at the 1700 RPM, so I would probably not have picked that gear normally. So if you're ready for the best system, best value, best sound, if you want to impress your friends, your neighbors, your colleagues, now you have the option.